Hello friends, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now the first video I showed you this mess, yes this mess, when I cleaned out the closet in the hall where I store some of my tablescape decorating items. Now today's video I'm going to show you how I separated and reorganized that closet. Oh, it was a hot mess and I only did one side. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here I'm sharing the majority, well, all of my charger plates. I have the navy blues, the whites, the corals, the leather, the faux leather, the deep red, the purple, the orange, the burnt orange, the gold, the pink, and I have the wood ones from the Dollar Tree, the ones that have the whitewash and the one that have the gold, the black and white plaid, the shades of green. I have a lot of charger plates, but I did pull out some that I am giving away. And the stack was a nice size stack that I am giving away. And these are the ones that made the list. Now as we go on down, you see all the other colors I have. I have pinks, purples, greens, yellow. And then the new ones I have are at the very, very end. I have the glitter copper, the glitter silver. I have the what is it? The metal ones that are silver, those are the plain silvers. Those there were supposed to be a more of a pink metallic color, but they don't look that much to me. I have gold, and I have copper, because you know I'm a copper girl, so you know there was going to be some copper ones. I have the clear ones with the gold beads around it. I have silver with beads around it. I have black. I have fuchsia pink. I have a burgundy. It's getting blurry. Give it time. I have the, I don't want to say straw, but I can't think what it's called. The ones that you use mainly for spring or summertime. And then the new ones that I have here on the end. I have the yellow, and then I have I want to say a lime, key lime, or an apple green. And then the newest one is the teal or turquoise. Now we jump into my placemats. I have the round ones. I have the ones shaped like ornaments, the one with hearts. I have yellow. The blue ones were a gift from the Dream Team Kenya. I have the green leaf ones from Pier 1 before they closed. The DIY brown with clothespins, yes. The DIY fall leaf ones, I have black, red, I have silver, I have a dark turquoise, a burnt orange, I have a bright orange, I have brown, I have a royal blue, a turquoise, I have white, there's round white ones, I have gold. Yes, I have all the colors of the rainbow. Yes, the girl has a lot of colors of placemats. These were from the Dollar Tree one year. They had the, I guess you want to say, the Hawaiian thing going on, and I picked those up. Now those green and blue ones there, I can't remember where I got them from. I think they came from the Dollar Tree long ago. Then I have purple, and then the DIY ones I made like Pier 1. The boxwood placemats, and then I have these that are supposed to be like gold dots for tiger stripes. The green ones, I have the orange and brown ones. I mean, I have a lot of placemats. I even have the ones that came from the Target dollar spot. I have the black and gold ones, and then I have I think the ones from the Target dollar spot, yeah, the fuchsia pink ones, and then I have the red ones. When I bought those, they only had 2 of each, so I made sure I got those 2. Now for my table runners. These are all the different colors and table runners that I have collected this far. And there are quite a few of them. I have pinks and purples and burlap and lace and hearts, and it goes on and on. The only one I don't think was down here was the green buffalo check. That's the only one I think that was not down here when I did this video. But I do have a lot of table runners. I'm not so much of a fan of tablecloth, but I do have a tablecloth. I have a round one that's rather large. It's a cream or off-white color, and I use it every now and then, but I really like using table runners because they do that pop of color and they don't take away from everything else you have on the table. Now we're looking at my napkins. I have different colors. I mean, I've outgrown the drawer that I had them in my china cabinet, so I am moving them to the hall, and you'll see how I store them once we go to the hall. But I have blues, greens, purples, pinks, browns, teals, you name it. I have the color. Oh, I'm not saying I have all of them, all the colors, but I have quite a few. There are some colors that I'm missing, and I try to get solid colors, that way you can use them no matter what. I try not to get ones with different patterns on them because it makes it hard for using with anything else. The only ones that have a pattern are the buffalo check, and I have the gray, black, green. I think that's all I have, gray, black, and the green buffalo check. Now the ones in the plastic are newer ones. Now everything that the items are stored in I already had. I didn't buy anything new to make storage. As you see, I kept the charger plates on the top shelf, which made more sense, and I did get rid of some so the stacks are smaller. Now I moved the placemats up a row, which made it a little bit easier to me to pull them out to use for a tablescape. Now the containers you see below them, the one far to the right is my table runners, and the one on the left are my napkins, which made better sense to me to store them in here. It made it easier as I could pull out all the items. Now on the next row here, I have my battery storage, and I like that because I keep it well stocked. The red container here has a couple of candles, but it also has my what are those plug-ins, the wildflower ones. The blue clear top container, those are my wax melts, and the container on the end are my pillow covers, which I did not share. On the next row, being at the back, that are my kitchen towels and mitts and things like that. And over here I have my linen sprays, air fresheners, I have some soap cleaner, I have some floor cleaner, and some more air fresheners. All these products were purchased from Grove Collaborative. So if you're interested in any of these items, look down below. I have a link to Grove Collaborative. Now the pink container you saw, that's hand soap. It will be moving. Now I'm laughing at myself here because as I pulled out bags, I did not realize that I had 9. Yes, 9 of the Lysol wipe containers. I did not realize I had 9. Then I have the 3 mouthwash bottles there, and then I found 4 packages of the antiseptic wipes. I also stored my duster and the tool I use to clean the bathtubs out over in the corner. Now I think it looks rather nice and it's very organized. The only thing I'm missing that I want to get is some containers to line up my linen sprays and air fresheners and floor cleaner in. I want them in a container, which it makes it better to keep them organized. So let me know what you think of my situation now. I would love for you to leave comments down below. You know I love reading everything you write me. So here is the completed side, on the right side that is, of the storage closet. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.